This magnificent area of enormous beauty is the Usambara Mountains. These mountains of northeastern Tanzania in tropical East Africa comprise the easternmost ranges of the Eastern Arc Mountains. The ranges of approximately 90 kilometers long and about half that wide are situated in the Lushoto district of the Tanga region. They were formed nearly 2 million years ago by faulting and uplifting, composed of Precambrian metamorphic rocks, and creating the drainage system of troughs that form many watersheds, which provide water to a majority of the population of northeast Tanzania and are clad in virgin tropical rainforest, which has been isolated for a long period, and they are a center of endemism. The mountains are split into two sub-ranges, the West Usambaras being higher than the East Usambaras, which are nearer the coast and receive more rainfall. The 90 kilometers long and between 30 to 50 kilometers wide mountains, which form part of the Eastern Arc Mountains, also stretch from Kenya through Tanzania. The range is one of the world's biodiversity hotspots, with the highest point being Chambolo Peak at 2,289 meters above sea level. Historically, the Usambara Mountains have been inhabited by the Bantu, Shamba and Maasai people, who were a mix of agriculturalists and pastoralists. In the late 19th century, when within the Usambara district of German East Africa, German colonialists came into the area, bringing with them a mix of cash crops like lumber trees, coffee, tea, and quinine, and also designate forests as reserves for either water conservation or timber use. The Usambara Mountains are known for their pleasant climate, beautiful viewpoints, and fertile slopes, and provide a pleasant avenue for hiking. When you hike, you have a panoramic view from the mountainside. The range is accessible from the towns of Lushoto in the west and Amani in the east. As you go hiking the Usambara Mountains, you can also walk through the fertile farmlands of Jaigatal to a fruit tree nursery and learn about different varieties of fruit trees and their propagation. To add to the beauty of this magnificent mountain, nature has also endowed the area within the mountain with a beautiful waterfall, the Kisasa Waterfalls. The Kisasa Waterfall, also known as Izasa or Kisasa, is an epic spot in the Usambara mountain range. A magnificent and breathtaking place full of beauty and nature. The descent and ascent to the falls can be tricky during rainy seasons, hence you be sure to have your hiking boots and minimal luggage. You can take a dip at the waterfalls, but it's quite rocky. There are benches where you can sit and take great photos. A great spot not to be missed if you are in Lushoto. Today, the population of the Usambara Mountains region has one of the highest growth rates, that is, about 4% compared to the Tanzanian national average of 2.1 and highest densities of people in all of Tanzania. Considered tremendously significant ecologically and a biodiversity hotspots, there are many protected zones throughout the range which are being expanded and contributed to by the Tanzanian government, associated NGOs, and research teams, and donor countries such as Norway. These are the Usambara Mountains, another nature's gift of magnificent area of enormous beauty to Africa.